Alright, so Trey and Riley is going on a wood adventure today. We'll be going into the forest. Riley got her water. Trey got his water. And let's go. Trey is in the woods. Adventure. So what adventure we're going on?
Going on a bear hunt.
A bear hunt? Whoa. Whoa, Trey has come across this big bridge. Whoa. I beat them over here. I took the shortcut. Right here. I beat y'all. Yep, I beat y'all. I beat y'all. You didn't know. Ooh, we're going across this bridge. Can you put your head through the box? Look, let's look down there. Whoa. Cool. We're going on a bear hunt. Bear hunt, bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Look at the waterfall.
Waterfall.
Whoa.
Waterfall.
We leaving, everybody. Y'all moving too fast. Y'all walk backwards. Let's see. Riley, slow down, slow down. No race. Said you can walk backwards. They're walking backwards.
Walk backwards.
All right, slow down. Look, they're way down there by the water. Whoa. Look, see them way over there?
Yeah.
Whoa, you see the big fish in the water? That's goldfish. What you doing, Trey? Whoa, that's high.
Oh, that's high, man.
Whoa. Ashton coming down the stairs. Come on down, Ashton. Wait, you guys, I think I see a bear. I think I see a bear. Oh, those some nice fishes. Big fishes, too. All right, slow down. Don't jump on there with everybody else. Whoa. Whoa, it's a fish, Trey. Bet y'all didn't know that, did you? Take your time. Slow down, Riley. Ooh. Pay attention, slow down. We're going on a bear hunt. Whoa, look at the fish, and they're looking at you too. Whoa. Whoa. Them big fish too. All right, slow down. Come back. Trey, what are you doing up there? Y'all still looking for that bear? Oh, see all the fish. All right, let's see if we go through the woods. Whoa, this is a bunch of woods. Yes. Whoa.
This way. Yeah, maybe this way.
All right, this way. All right, we found a trail. All right. Which way do y'all think the bear went? Wait, I think I see a bear scratching right here. No. Let's read the map. I don't see where the bear went. He could have went over here. Let's read the map. Which way you think the bear went?
This way. 18.
18. Okay, let's go that way. All right, go towards the rope. Is it 18? No, that's not 18. Wait a minute, he could be over there by the water. Wait. No, that's just the river down there.
A river. It has sparkly things. Okay, let's go.
Yep, that's the sun. There's a bridge. All right, we made it to the other side, but I don't see no bear.
Or it can maybe be that way. Or in the water.
What?
It could be
In
in the water.
the water?
Yeah. But bears in the water?
Alligators in the water?
Yeah. Yeah, duh.
Whoa, look at that up there. What is that? I guess we can't find the bear. I guess we gotta look next time because he's somewhere in the woods and we lost his trail. To be continued.